11 years ago, when I did my first meditation retreat in Thailand, I became friends with one of the monks at the monastery. His English was broken and rather poor. However, it was more than good enough to be in charge of the foreigners in the retreat center. Whenever I came to him with an issue about my meditation practice, he would always say the same thing. He would wait for me to stop talking, and then he would say, knowing, accept, open heart, open mind. I don't want to expound too much on those words as much as I want for you guys to remember those words in life and in your practice of meditation. When you meditate, let your mind observe and be aware of what is happening. Do not judge or get attached to the movements of your mind. Accept everything that is happening in your mind. Do not fight it, embrace it. Be kind to it without getting involved. Know and accept. Keep an open heart and an open mind to anything and everything that come and go into your mind. My monk friend would also end up by saying, in his broken English, everything impermanent. This is the truth.